Already have completed trigonometry identity. First one as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Now cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Now sin theta is equals to under root 1 minus cos square theta. Now cos theta is equals to under root 1 minus sin square theta. This is only for using one identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Already we proved how do you get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now let us see, we may take another one. Some students are asking how do you prove cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Let us see another. He may ask in the examination, prove that cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Now, how can you take cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta is LHS, 1 minus sin square theta is equal to RHS. First, you can draw one right angle triangle. This is theta, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. Now let us take A, B, C. This is right angle. Now by using that right angle triangle, we have to prove cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Let us see. Proof. How do you prove it? Cos square theta. LHS is cos theta. Cos theta is equals. What is the definition of cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now, what is the adjacent side here? BC. Hypotenuse is equals to AC. But in LHS, there is cos square theta. Now, better to take here square. Therefore, cos theta is equals to BC by AC. Now, square is there. Therefore, what you have to do? Simply you can write SBS. SBS means squaring on both sides. Cos theta whole square. Cos theta whole square is equals to BC by AC whole square. Now, cos square theta is equals to BC square by AC square. This is LHS. BC square by AC square is equal to LHS. Okay, leave this one. What is on RHS? 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta means first you can take sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, what is the definition? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side here? AB. Hypotenuse is equals to AC. That is sin theta is equals to AB by AC. Sin theta is equal to AB by AC. But here sin square theta. Then you can do squaring on both sides. That is sin theta whole square is equals to AB by AC whole square. AB by AC whole square. Then sin square theta is equals to AB square by AC square. Is equal LHS RHS? No, not equal. Again we have to do here 1 minus sin square theta. RHS. RHS. 1 minus sin square theta. Now 1 minus sin square theta is equal to what is here? AB square by AC square. If there is no denominator, better to take it as 1. Now AC square into 1, AC square minus AB square by AC square. Already I said to you, what is the Pythagoras theorem better? Pythagoras theorem says that AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. This is the formula of Pythagoras. By using this one, what you have to say? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now AB square is equals to AC square minus BC square. BC square is equals to AC square minus AB square. Now we can convert these three. Which one we select here? AC square minus AB square. AC square minus AB square is equal to what did you get here? BC square. BC square by AC square. BC square by AC square is equal to what is here? LHS is equals to LHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. That is cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. By using one condition, we may proceed that for 1, 2, 3. Similarly, what are next beta? This is 1. First identity. By using this similarly, this is common for everyone. Second one, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Now, sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Now, tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. Sec theta is equals to under root 1 plus tan square theta. Now tan theta is equals to under root sec square theta minus 1. Only one. When you know, just remember this one. By using this one, we can make 4 formulas. According to situation, we can use any one formula by getting answer. This is second identity. Similarly, third identity, last and final. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Same, sec theta, tan theta. Here cosec theta, cot theta. Now, cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Now, cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. Now, next, cosec theta is equals to under root 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. These are the 3 identities. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. By using that one, we can make 5 formulas. There are 3 identities. By using that 3 identity, we can make 15 formulas. Mind it. Everyone should know only these 3 enough for you. But he may ask, why? Because this is CC model. And actually, he didn't give your textbook. There is no proof. But you should prove in the similar part what did I just know. Okay? Now, next, angles of trigonometric ratios. What are the angles of trigonometric ratios? This is last basic information about trigonometry. Angles of trigonometric ratios. What are the angles of trigonometry? Minus theta. Second one, 90 minus theta. 90 plus theta. 180 minus theta. 180 plus theta. 270 minus theta. 270 plus theta. 360 minus theta. 360 plus theta. Now each one getting 6 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 6 are 54. By using these 9 values, we can make 54 formulas. 9 6 are 54. How? Let us see better. But before going to this one, everybody should remember it. For 90 degrees, this is the node for you. Without this we can't make the remaining values. 90 degrees minus theta, 90 degrees plus theta. 270 degrees minus theta, 270 degrees plus theta. For these angles, sine converted as cos. Cos converted as sine. Means it's converse. Tan as cot as tan. Cosec as sec as cosec. According to their quadrants, sign will be changed. Sign means symbol. Means it is either plus or minus. Be remember, for 90 degrees minus theta, 90 degrees plus theta. 270 degrees minus theta, 270 degrees plus theta. The value will be changed. Means trigonometric ratio will be changed. It's converse. That is sine as cos as sine. Tan as cot as tan. Cosec as sec as cosec. Also, sign will be changed according to their quadrants. Mind it. This is first one. Note 2. This is first note. This is second note. What are the remaining here? Similarly, for 180 degrees minus theta, 180 degrees plus theta. 360 degrees minus theta, 360 degrees plus theta. There is no need to change the trigonometric ratio, but only sign will be changed according to their quadrants. Mean sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec. But their sign will be changed according to their quadrant. What is that? Let us see. Discuss now. First one. Angle of minus theta. I think everybody should know it. Angle of minus theta. What is angle for minus theta? First one. Sine of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta, cot of minus theta, cosec of minus theta, sec of minus theta. Sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. By this, everybody come to conclusion. At last, what did you get, beta? Cos. What is the inverse of cos? Sec. Very good. Tan of minus theta is equals to minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta is equals to minus cot theta. Cosec of minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta. Why? Because inverse of cos theta is equal to sec theta. This is angle for minus theta. Now next we go into that one. How did you take that values? Let us see better. Just to draw one identity table. Take care this better. Now, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is intersecting points. This first quadrant Q1, second quadrant Q2, third quadrant Q3, fourth quadrant Q4. Now, sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Mind it that one. For first one, how can you take better? Q1 means 90 degrees minus theta. 90, 90, 90, 90. Totally 360 degrees. 90 degrees minus theta. Second one, 90 degrees plus theta. 180 degrees minus theta. What does it mean? Means 90 to 180. Third one. Here 180 completed. Enter into the third quadrant. 180 plus theta, 270 degrees minus theta. 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 90, 270. Now next enter into the fourth quadrant. 270 degrees plus theta, 360 degrees minus theta. But after completing this table, you can get one doubt. Sir, if you are having more than 160, how do you proceed? Very good. Let us see. When you want to solve more than 360 degrees, again you have to enter into the first quadrant, that is 360 degrees plus theta. This is quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and their angles. But how can you change the symbol? Let us see better. Majority of the students, they can say in your textbook, all silver tea cups. But according to my view, better to remember all students take care. All students take care. All means what are better? All. How many ratios are? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta. These are all positive in first quadrant. All means total. Students means what is the first letter? For you are simply minded this only this one. All students. Now students means what is the first letter here? Yes. By using letter S, we can start the ratio, that is sin theta. Inverse of sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Only sin theta, cosec theta positive. Remaining all are negative. What are the remaining? Cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta. These are all negative in second quadrant. Enter into the third quadrant. Take. What is the first letter here? T. T means tan. Tan theta, inverse of tan theta is equal to cot theta. Both are positive, remaining all are negative. Mind it? Next. Care. Care means what is the first letter? C. C starts from cos theta, sec theta. Remaining all are negative. When by using those who know this table, they can know 8 6 of 48 formulas. How do you do? So simple, better. Just I said here, for 90 degrees minus theta, 90 degrees plus theta. 270 degrees minus theta, 270 degrees plus theta. The ratio will be changed. Also, the sign will be changed according to their quadrants. But 180 degrees minus theta, 180 plus theta, 360 degrees minus theta, 360 degrees plus theta. The ratio doesn't change, but sign will be changed according to their quadrants. How? Let us see. First, for 90 degrees minus theta. Those who understand the table, they can say easily these values. First one, sin 90 degrees minus theta. Second one, cos 90 degrees minus theta. Third one, tan 90 degrees minus theta. Fourth one, cot 90 degrees minus theta. Cosec 90 degrees minus theta. Sec 90 degrees minus theta. Already I said to you, for 90 to 70, the trigonometric ratio will be changed. Sin converted as cos. Mind it. Now cos converted as sin theta. Tan as cot. Cot as tan. Cosec as sec. Sec as cosec. Mind it. First this one. 19. Already I said 90, 270. Trigonometric ratio will be changed. That is sin as cos, cos as sin, tan as cot, cot as tan, cosec as sec, sec as cosec. One more condition is there. The sign will be changed according to their quadrant. Sign means symbol. 90 degrees minus theta. Which quadrant is this? First quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. Therefore these are all positive. No need to change the symbol. Is it clear? Okay. When you will enter into the second, these are the 6 formulas. Enter into the second, 90 degrees plus theta. For 90 degrees plus theta, no need to change these ratios, but sign, symbol will be changed according to their quadrants. In second quadrant, what are the positive values here? In second quadrant, say better. In second quadrant, what are positive? Sin theta, cosec theta, positive. Remaining all are negative. But people think that this is the answer. But give importance for first one, not second one. Sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos is there. In second quadrant, cos is not there. Therefore, here minus sin theta, minus cot theta, minus tan theta. Cosec theta is lies in second quadrant. This is positive. Therefore, you can write sec theta. Sec of 90 degrees plus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. But by using this one, I think you will get one doubt better. Sir, you said sin cosec positive in second quadrant, but you wrote here sin cosec negative. Don't give importance for answer. This give importance for this one. Sin 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means which quadrant is that? First, second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin theta is positive. Therefore, its answer is cos theta also positive. Now, cos theta. There is no cos in second quadrant. All students take care. Students mean first letter as S. By using S, we can make the two ratios. That is sin theta, inverse of sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Therefore, only sin cosec are positive. Sin inverse, converse of sin cosec is cos sec is positive in first quadrant. Okay? Oh, next. Better to do first 280, 270. Next, for 270 degrees minus theta. Same, sin of 270 degrees minus theta, cos of 270 degrees minus theta, tan of 270 degrees minus theta, cot of 270 degrees minus theta, cosec of 270 degrees minus theta, sec of 270 degrees minus theta. Same, note 1, by using note 1, sin 270 degrees minus theta. 270 degrees minus theta, which quadrant is this? Third quadrant. Already we said to you, 270 is there, therefore it must converted sin as cos, cos as sin. Better to write first sin cos, cos as sin, tan as cot, cot as tan. Now cosec as sec, sec as cosec. Afterwards, again we go to next condition. What is the next condition? Sin 270 is there. According to their quadrants, symbol will be changed. According to their quadrants, third quadrant. In third quadrant, what is there here? Take. Take means first letter T. Only tan theta, cot theta are positive. Remaining are negative. Therefore, how can you write? Sin of 270 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos of 270 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Tan, cot both are positive. No need to change its symbol. Cosec of 270 minus theta is equal to minus sec theta. Sec of 270 minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. That's enough. 6 formulas completed. By this 18 formulas, so easy. Those who know that table. Enter into the next 270 degrees plus theta. As usual. Better to take 270 degrees plus theta. Mind it, 270 degrees plus theta, which quadrant is that? Then just you can judge. 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, what is the letter here? K. I wrote here K. K means first letter was cos. C. By using C, we can make the ratio cos. Inverse of cos theta is equal to sec theta. Therefore, sin of 270 plus theta. Only cos sec are positive in fourth quadrant. Sin of 270 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos is there. Cos is there. That's why in fourth quadrant cos theta positive. No need to change that symbol. Cos of 270 plus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan minus cot minus cosec minus. Now only cos sec both are positive. Therefore sec of 270 plus theta is equal to cosec theta. Is it clear? Mind it, for 90 degrees mind